Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2021 Hyundai Palisade, stock number 7191. It's run from the 7th 2020 to the current shape. It's a D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, left front daytime running light, left front door mirror, front bonnet, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory mega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 20-inch factory mega tyre, right front headlight and daytime running light, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,